let us proceed. If you want to solve this question, which rule are we going to use? Yeah, we are going to first use the quotient rule to differentiate the inner function. Then we are going to use the chain rule to differentiate the outer function. You understand? As you can see, I can rewrite this as this. Y is equals to x plus 1 all over x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. You understand? I can rewrite this as this. You understand? So, having known that this, when we have a function, when we are told to differentiate a function that has another function in itself, we are going to employ chain rule. But we have to take the derivative of the function inside the bracket first. You understand? And if you want to differentiate a function, this function inside the bracket, you have to make use of what? The quotient rule. So, for the first step is that I'm going to set u equals to the function inside the bracket. You understand? Don't forget our approach when we are told to differentiate a function that involves another function. I mean, a function that has another function in itself. So we are going to first set u is equals to the function inside the bracket. So I'm going to have u is equals to x plus 1 whole over x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. You understand? So now, since I have set u is equals to the function inside the bracket, definitely y will be equals to what? U raised to the power of 1 over 2. You understand? Okay, now let us proceed. Let us take the derivative of u using the quotient rule. Don't forget that according to quotient rule, the derivative of u is what? V du minus u dv all over v squared. This is the quotient rule. You understand? This is the quotient rule. Now, in quotient rule, the part that is at the top, the part of the fraction that is at the top is known as u. You understand? And the denominator is known as v. You understand? So, in order to differentiate this, u is what? X plus 1. Okay? U is x plus 1 and v is x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. So, let us take the derivative of u. I represent this as capital letter U so that you won't make the mistake and make this u as this. It is not. Okay? So, v is x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by the derivative of u. If you differentiate u using the power rule, you are going to get 1. So, there is no need of writing that. Minus u. U is what? X plus 1. So, I'm going to have minus x plus 1 multiplied by the derivative of v. Derivative of x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 is what? 2 into bracket x plus 1 multiplied by 1. So, there is no need of writing that one. Do you know how I got this? I make use of chain rule. You understand? I make use of chain rule. Take the derivative of this function, let the power multiply this, then differentiate the inner function. That's how I got 2 into bracket x plus 1. All these things, you just have to study it from the basis. You have to study it from the scratch so that you can understand it. If you didn't understand the rudiment, there is no way you can understand the complex that I'm solving. Okay? So if you have not watched our video, if you have not watched my video on, the simple solvings on this type of question, you can just proceed back to the channel and watch. Okay, so let's proceed. All over v squared. So I'm going to, v is what? Don't forget, v is the denominator. So I'm going to have x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 into bracket all squared. So let us proceed to expand this bracket. I want to pay attention. The derivative of u is equals to x plus 1 squared minus, okay, now let us open this bracket first. X plus 1, 2x plus 2 all over x plus 1 raised to the power of 4. You understand? Okay, let us proceed. The derivative of u is equals to x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 minus, okay, now let us open this bracket. X multiplied by 2x, that is what? 2x squared. 2x squared x multiplied by 2, that is plus 2x. 1 multiplied by 2x, that is plus 2x. And then 1 multiplied by 2, and that is plus 2. You understand? So all over x plus 1 raised to the power of 4. Okay, so the derivative of u is equals to, if you open this, if you expand this bracket, you are going to get x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x squared plus 4x plus 2. You understand? All over x plus 1 raised to the power of 4. You understand? What I did here is this: x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 can be written as what? X plus 1 and x plus 1. If you expand this bracket, you are going to get x squared plus 2x plus 1. Do you understand? So let us proceed. Open this bracket using the minus. You are going to get derivative of u is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x squared minus 4x minus 2 all over x plus 1 raised to the power of 4. Okay, let's proceed. Derivative of u is equals to, collect like terms, x squared minus 2x squared. That is negative x squared. Do you understand? For example, if I have 2a minus a, that is what? A. Because this a represents 2a minus 1a. So you understand? So that's what I did here. X squared minus 2x squared. It will give us negative x squared. So plus 2x minus 4x. That is negative 2x. Plus 1 minus 2. That is negative 1. All over x plus 1 raised to the power of 4. So the derivative of u is what? Negative x squared, negative 2x, negative 1 all over x plus 1 raised to the power of 4. So I have taken the derivative of the inner function, which is what? X plus 1 over x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. So having taken the derivative of the inner function, I have to take the derivative of the outer function, which is what? Y is equals to u raised to the power of 1 over 2. You understand? So let's take the derivative of the outer function. That is what? Dy over du is equals to what? Multiply using the power rule. I'm going to have 1 over 2 u raised to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1. That is minus 1 over 2. You understand? So I'm going to have dy over du is equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over u raised to the power of 1 over 2. You understand? That is, for example, if I have something like x raised to the power of minus 1, this can be written as 1 over x. So x raised to the power of 1 over 2 is equals to what? 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over 2. You understand? So dy over du is equals to what? 1 over 2 u raised to the power of 1 over 2. So I have taken the derivative of the outer function, which is what? 1 over 2u raised to the power of 1 over 2. So now, I want to pay attention at this point. You know that dy and derivative of u can be written as du over the x. You understand? And the derivative of the outer function, which is this, can be written as dy over du. According to chain rule, dy over the x is equals to what? Dy over the u multiplied by the u over the x. You understand? So dy du is this, which is the derivative of the outer function. Don't forget. And the u over the x is the derivative of the inner function. Now, let us substitute this into the chain rule formula. I'm going to have dy over the x is equals to dy over du is what? 1 over 2u raised to the power of 1 over 2. You understand? Multiplied by the u over the x is minus x squared minus 2x minus 1 all over x plus 1 raised to the power of 4. You understand? Okay. Don't forget that u is what? U is x plus 1 all over x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. So dy all over dx is equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by x plus 1 all over x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 over 2. Please, I want to pay attention here. I only substitute the value of u as what? X plus 1 all over x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. So don't get confused at all. So let us proceed. Multiply by minus x squared minus 2x minus 1 all over x plus 1 raised to the power of 4. You understand? So let us proceed. dy all over dx is equals to 1 over 2 root of x plus 1 all over x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by minus x squared minus 2x minus 1 all over x plus 1 raised to the power of 4. So the derivative of y is equals to the root of x plus 1 all over x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 is this.